Nope. Now it's loading in now. So.
Oh, I'm
Maybe
still
ask
on
this.
the.
Not sure.
Might do the world first before.
It might. Yeah. It might just take a minute. It might just be once it gets going for me, then it'll kind of go from there. So.
If it doesn't work, we can just try again. Always
Try
the restart.
again.
Refund the game. Too many spider ladies.
Meg still doesn't know what the spider ladies are. Does Callie know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Callie and I have actually watched some people like play the first part of this, and we've watched people play all through the first one. So okay.
Yeah,
The Markiplier one?
Yeah.
How many of you guys have ever played the first game?
Nope.
I have played it.
Okay.
Oh, we're in.
All right.
I'm
I'm in the helicopter.
She's in now.
Oh, I'm loading in.
Wait.
We're all loading in, boys and girls.
Where are we dropping boys?
Oh man, I've got
Yeah, slowly.
Giving me.
my graphics are tearing.
You have the option to lower it.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Again, looks
Why,
pretty.
why is Joe's thing? Joe has a thing. I don't have a thing.
You're loading in, Meg.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're all in different-
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, I don't see energy.
I'm not even in a helicopter yet.
Man, I really got to turn this audio down because it's like you guys are being real drained out by it.
I know, I lowered it to like 20% on the
Oh, I can look around. I can only look around outside the window.
There's the famous Kelvin, I mean.
I know.
Right?
My
Is
boy.
our
Oh, it's
are these gonna crash?
a helicopter. Wow, I finally see it.
Is that my wife and child? I didn't know I was a lesbian.
What?
You're a man.
Oh.
Alright guys, remember these names of people we gotta look at. We gotta find Puffton and Puffton and Puffton.
Wait, how are you?
And we're going down.
Oh, okay. Hey. Oh, Virginia Puffton. She's a student.
Don't look at her like that.
She's quite cute.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye.
You did.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Whoa, we do have a wife and child.
Oh,
Like how
I gotta
this one has to go
kick
to
the thing.
different topics.
Kick the thing.
Oh, someone assassinated us.
There it goes.
Why am I not helping that man? Why was I just standing watching him like a dummy?
What happened? Everyone's like at a different pace. Wait.
Yeah.
You don't help him. You
I'm
stand there. and you
fighting
don't-
demons.
Oh crap!
Oh, whoa.
Megan, did you skip the intro?
No, I'm underwater.
I
Oh.
think she went out down us.
Okay, so you already crashed.
Yeah, I'm underwater.
Whoa,
Uh-oh.
dude,
Sorry, Fisheye.
Kelvin, not
Hey.
Kelvin.
don't do that. I don't want that.
Sorry, Fisheye.
Uh,
Let's get out of here. Meg, is the music loud on your end?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
okay.
Do I get a drown if I don't kick the door?
I don't know.
And how long are you going to be able to hold your breath?
Forever.
Just don't kick it. See
Long
how
enough.
see if you become.
Nice.
Kelvin.
Okay, all right.
So
I am
Turn down the volume a little bit.
in. So now I just have to wait for the rest of you guys to drag yourselves out of the.
I saw your compass.
Oh.
She got Chiappa Rhino. I
Oh
recognize that.
no.
pistol.
This is
Okay,
not
we're
good.
gonna.
One.
Whoa, I'm
There's a man
splitting.
with a really bad choice of jacket wear
Oh.
hitting me with his gun.
Oh, whoa, yeah. He's about to shoot me. Oh,
She has a Chiappa Rhino.
Oh,
I
it was
recognize
green
that.
went black.
What happened?
Ah.
Hey, look, it's not Kelvin.
Oh.
Are you
I'm
good?
coming too. Oh. I came to.
Whoa. Everyone's just like there.
Whoa! Found a briefcase.
Oh.
Oh, black man.
No. Ah.
What? Oh, hey, hello, everybody.
I was jumping
I
in
got
front of
some
you.
meds, y'all.
Yeah, I was in my.
Stealing
All right, I got some tape.
Allie, you just wait.
Oh, no.
No, that's so rude.
I'm watching you guys.
Do what?
Guys.
Cool.
Oh my gosh.
The Callie. I thought that was Megan. Sorry.
Who's this guy for here?
That's Kelvin.
Kelvin.
He's sleeping.
I'm sorry. Are we not going to talk about how there's a guy on a stake at the end of the rocks?
There's two of them actually, Callie. Learn to count.
One of them. Get out.
Guys, I don't think.
I found a grenade.
Man, guys,
He's
I'm
running
scared.
away.
What? No, he's fine.
But there's blood coming out of his ears.
Yeah, he's fine. He's good. That's Kelvin. This is the guy.
I thought he was gonna turn into a
He's
cannibal.
he's the guy that was trying
Oh
to
my
get in through
God.
the window, and while we were
almost
crashing.
Murdered me, Joe.
Sorry. Wait, is there friendly fire on?
There is friendly fire.
Is
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Should
Really?
we not?
Where
Thanks,
do we have guns?
We can find them, but we don't have any right now. I have a grenade.
Joe has a knife.
I don't know how to do
Tried to
anything with
murder
this.
What are you doing, Brandon?
I found
Me?
a spider. I'm trying to smash it.
You trying to smash a spider?
What the?
Trying to
That's
kill
Let me
weird.
smash.
Oh, guys, Kelvin is following me, and I'm terrified. Look at the
Uh,
way he walks.
Well, you can give him like
I told
orders
him
and
to
stuff.
follow me.
Right.
I gave him a note and said, "Follow me."
told him to follow me now.
Good. I didn't like him following me. It was slightly terrifying.
I got a rock.
They got a flare.
Are we supposed to take all of this stuff? Or
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, because there's a lot of it.
Okay.
I got 3
got-
million.
Oh,
I got it.
Oh,
Yes.
Open your
guys, I just
inventory.
threw a grenade.
Ah,
yeah, don't do that.
no.
Anyway, open your inventory and open your emergency pack so that you can get your axe and your cell phone and stuff out.
Oh, is that where it is?
You got to let him find out naturally, Brandad. We got to do it that way. Open. Okay. Opening.
I got a knife. Joe,
What is
come
this
from the
thing?
edge.
Mine in?
Is this an EpiPen?
Okay. How do I put?
Buddy.
Okay.
Cut.
Hey,
All right.
Joe, look
I'm
at
gonna.
me. What is this? Joe, look at me. Joe, look at me. What is this?
That's a flare.
Here. Oh.
Ah!
Look me!
Joe slit my throat.
Joe!
He's down.
Oh gosh, you killed her.
Guys.
I didn't do anything. That was entirely Joe. Joe decided he had enough of being married, and
You are? Wait, are you scarring all over? What the heck?
Megan, I'm
I did not
coming.
think you died that easily.
I'm coming to rescue you.
she just crawls back out of the water. She'll be fine.
I'm strapped to a rope under the water.
What?
I was strapped. I
I'm
had a rope
coming.
around my feet, and it was tied to a
Oh my
rock.
gosh, you're going far.
How do I open
Wait,
my
I'm under you. I see you, Callie.
What'd you say, Joe?
I came to rescue
emergency
you.
inventory? How do
Thank
you
you.
open that?
So you click on it.
Hang out.
So you click on it, and then whenever you see the spinning
Don't
gear,
trust Joe. That's what
No.
we learned today.
whenever you see the
That's
spinning
right.
gear,
Try to kill both
you
of us.
click on the spinning gear, and it'll start opening it.
Hey.
Okay, right now, it's just making me pull out my backpack like this. I don't know what to do.
Did
Can't
you
get the seagull with my
you hit
backpack.
I, right?
Yeah. This is all
You
I do.
got
I
me.
pull my backpack.
Guys, I'm exploring. Bye.
Uh,
I'll help you.
Have fun dying.
I have a stick.
okay. So do we want to build here, or do we want to head out and look for a place to
We
build?
should probably move. We'll look around first.
Yeah, I wouldn't build camp next to the man on a stake.
Why not?
Like, that's
Free
like,
meat.
That's like cannibal bait. We're calling them to us.
Oh, we're just gonna ignore the fact then that I said free meat. We're gonna ignore that. Okay. So
I'm
then
going towards the exclamation point.
exclamation point. What exclamation point?
Oh, I found it. It was just a pack.
Oh, okay, I found it.
Okay,
I found the action. That's what it is.
I found a rock. Oh, a rocket, a spider! Get away from me!
Do the spiders hurt us?
I don't know. I don't want to wait around and find out. What exclamation point are you looking for?
I found it already.
How do I put this away? Go
Where did you
away.
get that axe, Callie?
Oh,
Okay.
It's
So open up your
well,
map.
So hit I.
I did it.
It's in your emergency little bag thing.
I only have a knife. Oh,
Also,
No.
don't eat the berries straight away. You'll die.
You'll poop your pants and die.
There's a little bag. You click that.
Oh.
I will come after you, Joe.
Somebody should kill Joe. I think that's only fair.
Give me just a second.
Trying to start on good terms right now. Hi, Kelvin. Hi,
Kelvin
buddy.
is friend and food.
Kelvin. No, don't follow me, Kelvin.
My God, I am so sorry, Kelvin.
He's gonna die, Meg.
Kelvin has to follow somebody.
Don't follow me. Whoa.
Okay, so
I got a book.
look, a bird. Look, a bird. I'm gonna kill it. I got it.
No!
I got meat. I got meat.
I
Look.
mean, we knew you had meat, but
Yeah, the meats.
Why are you... Guys, we are never gonna survive if you guys keep trying to Freddy Krueger each other.
Joe started it.
I didn't know you'd die so quick, Meg.
This is what married couples have to do.
I climbed the rocks.
ah,
Hey guys, I have a throwing spear.
Yeah, you make that by like... Oh, I need a stick. Give me the sticks. Okay.
Let's, well, we need to build before it gets dark, or else we're just gonna be stranded, so we should
we
find
just
a
need to
location.
make shelter. We're fine. I fell.
Okay. So, then I... How do I...
Bird.
Combine. Combine. Combine, right? Nope. Nope. I need...
It's so funny. It's so funny. You can cut down trees with
There we
your
go.
axe.
Okay. Alright, I also now have a spear.
Megan's gonna kill me already. Not to go so far.
Yeah,
Okay, so...
I get you.
Oh, gosh.
Alright, it's okay.
Brings me back.
It's fine now.
Alright,
I still know hell.
alright, alright.
It's fine.
Yeah, I think we all have pretty low health.
Don't you did. Joe, I really died again.
We do.
Don't press E, Meg. Don't press E. That's why you respawn.
Oh,
Tell me.
oh, I thought that was helping
What
me.
the...
No. You go all the way from the beginning, Meg. You do that.
Okay, so guys, we need to go somewhere and like find food and
Oh, hi,
make
Kelvin.
shelter.
I forgot
Right.
Kelvin was following me.
Hey guy, a fly, Amatia is a poison mushroom, so don't eat that one.
Okay, not doing that.
It's a red mushroom, so it's pretty
Oh,
obvious.
that's the wrong.
Right.
I don't know which way's up. Okay, that's also not up.
Okay,
Megan's
so
back in the ocean.
oh, did you kill her again?
Well, she didn't realize.
Apparently, I didn't know that I wasn't supposed to click respawn.
Yeah, you'll start.
Oh,
I thought that E meant I was gonna not die. I
No, once you're knocked out, like, you need someone else to pick you up.
yeah.
I got a rock.
Okay, let's find this spot. I say we go inward and find like some kind
There's
of
a road up here. Go to this road.
like
Funny, kill it.
fields that will give us lots of space to build on.
Yeah.
Well,
We-
we are going
Yeah.
inland.
And near water.
Yeah, I think we've kind of yeah.
They kind of left you.
That's okay. You guys can see our cursors, so you can definitely find us. All the berries.
On the cliff. At the
More berries. More berries. Berries, berries, berries.
My berries.
What, Peter? You'll be dead in an instant.
Would you like a shrubbery?
I got a shiitake mushroom.
Language.
We're like on Gilligan's Island right now.
Can I be the
Ooh,
sexy
there's a
lady?
big
Is that a squirrel?
spider web.
There
Mr.
was. I found the
Squirrel.
bunny earlier. I was trying to kill it. I didn't. I failed.
Yeah, he disappeared pretty quick for me.
I ate a mushroom. I might be dying.
Oh, hey, don't do that. I'm right here to
I
res
think
you
I
if I
stopped
need
with
to.
that.
Whoa.
How to pick stuff up without eating.
Blueberries are safe to eat.
I think if you just click E instead of holding it, it picks it up.
Okay. Nice, nice.
That's correct.
I'm being told. Find Team B. Guys,
Right,
there's a
right.
cave behind us.
That's what?
Okay, I've pulled out. Okay.
Hello,
Find
everyone.
find 3 people of Team B, and then we have to find the Puffins. But we need to establish a shelter before we do any of that.
Okay, that hurt.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it hurts.
Fun.
Oh,
You have a
orange
spear, I
berries.
just have a stick.
Found some water, guys.
Hey,
Ooh,
Joe, I
water?
wish
Fantastic.
I could still, so I can see how long it
Is
takes
it
to
like
get
a
something.
stream, or did you just find like a bottle of water?
It's not clean water.
Oh, well,
But we
poop.
can boil water, I'm sure.
Okay.
Probably not right away. Hold still.
My
Joe?
rock.
Oh yeah, we could probably find a way to like.
Joe, you have to hold still and let me see how long it takes to kill you with a stick now. Please.
I hear a frog.
No, freaking bang. I'm gonna quit playing.
Oh hey,
You
look!
keep
I found a
killing
river.
me.
There's a river down this way.
If you come at me, I'm going to
Just
slap
A deer.
with the stick. It's a stick. It's not even a.
A
It's not even.
deer.
Yeah, but he's way too fast, and all I've got is my spear to throw at him.
I don't want to play anymore.
So he's very gone.
I'm quitting.
No,
Oh, hold on. There's another one. I might be able to sneak up on him.
I killed a couple of frogs. You killed
Let me
frogs?
kill you with a stick.
Okay, kill me.
Then stop killing me.
Oh no, he
Oh,
really.
it's gonna take forever.
Okay, he's coming towards you guys.
Who's that?
This is great.
Never mind.
No,
He ran down. He ran down the road.
I don't see you.
What'd you do?
There's a lot of 'em,
Hitting you and you
but-
disappeared.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm gonna head down towards the river because I feel like
You
that's gonna
can't
be our
run
best
with
place
nature?
to set
Oh,
up.
Guys, I'm like stuck somewhere.
This is
What?
happens
What
when you
happened?
kill somebody with a stick.
I don't know. I feel like I'm.
I hit Joe with the stick so much that he's lost underground.
Uh-oh. What do I do, guys? I'm like stuck here.
I'm coming.
Oh.
I see your.
I got trapped. What the heck? I guess that happens if you die too much.
Or did you?
Uh,
I died.
I don't know. Yeah. You ended up on a like a
Bye,
stake.
buddy.
That's really
Yeah,
weird.
like
Whoa!
someone, like,
Hey, look, money.
Wait, Calvin, come back. Calvin,
Yeah.
Oh,
too
God,
far.
I-
I found a skull
Guys, why
And
am
a
I
piece
on
of paper.
Calvin duty?
and a
Okay,
skull.
that's terrifying.
Buddy, just follow me.
I'm bludgeoning a
Fresh
deer with a
clothes,
rock.
don't mind if I do.
Okay, let's not kill each other anymore, because I guess you can
What?
get
Oh,
lost.
I wonder. who
Are you
said
actually hitting him?
Yeah, he's bloody. I threw my spear at him and missed, and now I
Yeah.
can't catch him. How do I take up my weapon? Give me a
Oh.
weapon. I had another spear. Is there a button, or do I? Damn him, Brandon. He's not running very fast.
Oh, it's like it's a.
It's like a baby deer.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh
Bird
man,
flew in my
how
face.
did how did he dodge me like that? This deer like straight up used like ultra instinct.
I'll get you.
That's nothing.
Okay, I gotta wait for my
People are-
stamina to build back up.
European.
Yeah, turtles in the water.
Yeah, get its meat.
Yeah,
I killed
yeah,
the deer,
you
I mean-
can collect water later. Next
Okay, let's head down to the
I can't
river
kill it. I don't
where
have
Megan's
anything
at.
but a weapon underwater.
Oh hey,
I only have my hand.
oh this is perfect. Oh, it's not a river; it's just another big. But at least you know it's a decent
A lot
body of water.
lakes have rivers coming off of them.
Yeah, let's build here, guys.
Yeah, at least this will be this will at least be good for
Let's start chopping.
Until we find a better spot.
right.
Figure it all out, everybody.
I'm coming.
Let's make a log cabin.
Yeah.
How do I know when I'm running out of breath?
Your stamina? It's the blue bar back to your right.
What
Okay,
was that?
trees. That was trees
Okay.
falling down.
Sounds like an explosion.
Yep. Oh no! The tree logs have physics.
Yes, they do.
Try to drop
It's amazing how fast I can swim.
Oh, they nerfed our carrying ability in this game.
I noticed that too.
How do I drop them?
G, apparently. It's not good. But
Oh man, I almost threw them at
Kelvin.
somebody.
Me.
My bad.
Get or build
Is someone gonna set the...
shelter.
Guys,
I don't know
guys,
if he.
I think I found the cannibals camp.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Going.
Megan, please don't die right away.
I'm hiding
Coming
behind
again.
the
Oh
rock.
no, things are loading in. This isn't good.
Where?
Someone just put the tree on me.
I'm sorry.
I'm going back to where you guys are because I'm afraid.
We're coming your way.
Hey,
Also,
Joe,
is it smart to build camp this close to the cannibal camp?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah, right?
We just got killed. Oh, surprisingly, yes. But
here.
So guys, come across the lake to the other side, and there's this little area
Yeah.
that's like a dry river. That's where I am. Come there, and then I will. show
Yay,
you where the
thank
cannibals are.
Megan, I'm already at the camp.
Well, other people aren't.
Oh, there are people in the camp.
I think. Why?
Let's go get
I
'em.
told you they were there.
There are lots of people in the camp.
Let's go
get
beat-
one.
I think they see me. I'm gonna leave.
It's
I'm
too
gonna
late.
crouch.
Time to go attack.
Brandon, if they can't kill all of us.
That is false. There are plenty of them.
They see us.
There are plenty of them to kill all of us.
So,
Let's get him.
so
I
in the
told you
first
guys,
game,
we're
Yep,
really
yep,
close.
yep. Here we go. They're
I
moving.
don't know if it's a good place
I got
to
my
go.
knife.
Oh, they're climbing trees.
You can climb
They are
trees.
climbing trees like madmen.
Ah,
look them all. Look them
He's a
all.
big boy.
I got my knife.
That it's really scary.
Ah,
Yeah.
I
Oh
walked
my
through
God.
this
Oh, he dodged my.
spot.
ah!
Oh, Kelly!
I
Get
got
back
hit.
up.
I got hit.
Can we turn off friendly fire?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
I can try, but you'll have to cover me while I do.
Okay.
Let me see if
Guys,
that's
kill them.
I'm afraid.
gameplay.
I'm officially afraid.
I killed them.
There was a whole bunch more in there, so it would not be surprising if there's,
You-
huh?
I think he's dead. Oh my gosh, he's dead.
Who?
Guys, did
Oh,
you
hey,
No.
hey, guy. Hey guys, I got killed, man.
Because I'm still there.
So there is no way to turn off friendly fire.
Okay, well, watch where you step, guys.
They have a chair over there made out of
Oh, I'm down.
Oh snap! So am I.
Oh, he hit me too.
Oh,
Kill him.
he killed me.
Carrying a dead body.
Get me up, guys.
Got you.
Like he killed me.
Oh.
Oh, am I hanging up? I'm hanging up.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Look at me, I'm behind you.
Oh.
You got the
It's
body.
yeah, it's okay.
Free.
They have a chair made of dead bodies over there.
You got him, boys.
There's another guy here.
Destroy
He's
them.
probably a boy. Watch out, guys.
We destroyed them.
Wait, I found a tarp. I can make a tent with this.
I already made.
Oh.
Make a shelter.
I found another inventory thing.
Hey guys, look at me.
Oh shoot! Look at me, guys.
Wait, where's that?
Whoa, who's listening to music?
Look at me. Look at me go.
Whoa, where'd you get
How
that?
do you do that?
Oh, yo, check it out.
What?
How do you ride this?
It's really hard.
Whoa! the
What do you-
heck? It's actually really hard. This is
Whoa.
What the heck?
This
Look at
guy.
me, Ellie. I'm in this chair made of dead body parts.
Ugh,
That's you. I didn't
check
recognize
this
what your
out.
person looked
Okay,
like.
how do you get off of it?
Twice it says.
Double jump.
I don't know how to get off of this chair, actually. It's kind of terrifying.
How do you, what? So where do we put these things?
Wait, where's this up? Ooh, wait, you sat on this chair, man?
Yeah, look, there's a butt right there. You sit your butt on that butt.
How do I get off?
You just go slowly.
Are we just like,
Funny that you sit on the
I'm
butt.
grave robbing.
oh,
Oh yeah, I'm taking a bunch of stuff.
I got us a tarp, guys.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
We can use this tarp to build our home.
Yeah, you can
Kelvin
build
made us a temporary shelter.
You can use a tarp.
whoa,
to make,
whoa, we got movement over here.
Mac, look at my screen. I did big head mode. Look, Mac.
Oh, everybody had big heads.
There's a big head mode, guys.
Oh, hey, we got movement. Naked lady.
Boy.
Your
I'm
direction,
happy.
Brandon.
I'm happy, boy.
Oh, and yeah. Oh,
Let's figure it out.
well, hold on, they dropped. Where'd they go?
Oh my gosh!
Nope,
Oh,
I might have stabbed you,
I know.
Brandon. I'm sorry.
I'm down.
I stabbed you, Joe. I'm
I
sorry.
had a guy just Spartan kick me.
Where? Oh, I'm coming.
Oh, I don't like that.
I turned around because I was trying to.
Oh my goodness, that's a big boy. He's got a hammer.
Where? Where?
He's big and slow. Team up on it.
That is a big guy.
Just keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh my gosh. Pretty sure I just got decapitated.
Ah, no, hit me too.
Help me.
I'm
Help
watching
me.
you guys.
Help
Don't
me.
die. Oh, Fred.
Help. Help.
I was just standing there carrying a cart. Callie, it's up to you to save all of us.
Oh.
Been down. I was down.
Okay,
first.
so everybody respawn. Yeah, everybody just respawn.
Okay. Hey, next time, let's just find a safe place to build camp, I think.
Did I lose all my stuff?
Yeah, we need to lose all of
we
our
have to
stuff.
go find our.
Yeah, you have to go find your bag. Whoa, hold on. Oh my gosh.
No.
He's right next to me.
Heck yeah, let's go, baby.
He's right next to me as I'm getting myself out.
Let's get it.
So it is very... Oh, there's multiple of them here.
No. Oh, he's alerted. I'm running. I'm just running.
Come here, boy.
You gotta get your bag and stuff.
I got him. I got him. I got him. He's dead. He's dead.
Yeah.
Okay, there's another one coming into camp.
Ah, get off me. I'm trying to
There's a smaller one coming into camp.
Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry, whoever.
man, I wish you could turn off.
Why is that one crawling like Golem?
Because you-
Oh. Oh my gosh. Guys,
Yeah, guys.
come here.
That's not bad.
Oh, you're the F. That's the F.
Come here.
I'm coming.
What the?
What is that monstrosity?
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I know this guy. It's the vagina monster.
I wish you could be.
Yeah, I know this guy's a vagina.
Yeah, kill it.
What? Oh, why did you? Why you made him eat me? You made him eat me. Why? Why would you do that without warning?
Did you let it free?
No, it was Granddad.
Why?
I died too, man.
Come on.
Oh, are you guys really?